Okay, surface tension again. A different experiment, same principle of surface tension. Again, there is a tension between the atmosphere out here and the water underneath the surface, and it causes surface tension. Now, we've got a cup of water here, just plain water, and to that we are going to add pepper. Quite a bit so that it's obvious that you can see the pepper. And what we're going to do then is see what happens in terms of breaking the tension. Now, why does the pepper float? The pepper floats because there is surface tension in the cup. Okay, and that's why the pepper doesn't float. Now, there are a few particles floating to the bottom. That's because they're heavier. They're not ground as lightly as the rest of the pepper. Now, if I put my finger in here, nothing happens except I get some pepper on my finger. All right? But if I add a little soap to my finger, okay, and then I touch in the middle of the pepper, look what happens. Watch closely. Why does all the pepper separate? Again, it has to do with surface tension. The chemicals that are involved in the soap, or the material that's involved in the soap, breaks up the cells that cause the surface tension between the water and the air. And so a little bit of soap would spread that. The whole principle of why people should wash their hands to get rid of the germs is this same principle. The soap with the water helps get rid of all of those germs and so forth that you get on your hands by touching things that have germs on them. So a little soap, whether it's dishwashing soap or liquid soap, or even you could use a bar of soap, but it will break the surface tension here, causing that pepper to separate. But the same thing is true about why it's good to wash your hands with soap and water. Surface tension.